250,000 kilometers. Nice. A little Corolla is taller than me. Imagine that with a lift kit and some 36s. The old girl getting a service. Getting ready to head out of town for a few days, 4 days, for work. There you go. Crap everywhere. There you go. Security camera system that's going in. That's what I'm doing this week. To get the old air filter. She's cooked. A new one of them. Ready to put in. Just letting her get up to temp. Recheck the oil. And she'll be ready to go. Well, might give her a clean first. It's a bit dirty. Have to repolish these headlights. They're fading out. They're getting old. Some new windscreen wipers on it. Rock and roll. Weird. This one doesn't do it. Nice. She's loud with that airbox open. That's not even getting close to red line. Ha. Well, that made a bit of a difference. Huh. Compared to that, a little bit faded. There you go. All we did is some plastic polish, just a little soft foam pad, and a nice clean rag. Cool. Getting ready for a road trip. Oh my gosh. I'll try and turn you around. I just came all the way down from that end. Well, this is the return. So all the way to the other end of the building. You can see where that light is in the distance. That's the manhole, which is about halfway. So I had to crawl all the other way to the other end of it first to get some cable. It's only 2 feet high between these beams and this truss. Oh. I'm up and inside the roof of a motel running security cameras. It is hot in here. Oh, and I'm cactus. I am absolutely covered in dirt, insulation, sweat. Fun games. Alright, I shall continue. Let the acrobats begin again. Well, actually, this is nearly the end of day 2. And this place is a challenge. This roof's actually not too bad. I've got almost 3 feet of room there. But there's a roof back that way and heads in that direction, which is straight towards the Flinders. And that was about, after getting through this section and into the next roof section, that was about 60 meters. But I actually did that one from on top of the roof, pulling up sheets, because that roof, there was no hope of me getting in there. You can't get through. You have to go through this manhole here, which is in, it's in a storage room slash shed area. I've still got to get a cable down to this other end. That's not too bad. That's probably only 10 or 15 meters. But yeah, can't get through there. It just turns into a maze of trusses and no space. There you go. This one's actually in here. I'll be right above my room where I'm staying. But I actually got to go past it because I need to get to that back wall and then way down into a corner, which once again, no room. I'll be laying on my belly. Yeehaw. Ta-da, mate. Right, made it to the other end. As you can see, over there is a false ceiling, so I can't get up into the roof space from there because it's all T-bar. So that's no good. So I had to go through the manhole in the workshop. And here's my rod. It's going 6 meters that way. And I've got to try and crawl down there. It's dusty. At least it's not hot. But this is a challenge. Looks big here. I've got 3 feet of room right where I am. That very, very quickly disappears. Alright, back into it. Well, there you go. Halfway through day 4 in Port Augusta, and I'm on the way home. So that was a challenge. If you look over here to the left, there's the Flinders Ranges, and I have absolutely no time to go and explore. That sucks. But that's life. I was out here to work, not out here to play, so you get that. Recorded a little bit of footage, me crawling through roofs and all the fun stuff that goes along with the job. Now, it's time to say, ta-da, mate. I've got a lot of driving to do and meetings to get to. Enjoy now. See you next.